What do we know about this firm, Sri?
Look, this is a firm that has been started by three very successful Wall Street deal makers who've gone out and started in a space that just seems to be right place at the right time. Just when private credit has become this investment buzzword like crypto or cannabis, and you really have to see the macro backdrop for that, right? You have people wondering whether we're in this lower for longer, forever environment, and traditional fixed income vehicles are just not going to cut it. So you have these three people with very high pedigree from Goldman Sachs, from KKR, from Blackstone, setting up their own platform, but really going from zero to a fairly large platform where they've scooped up 15 billion in assets in under 4 years. And that's why you see the valuation that they have got on their company right now, which is about 2.5 billion, which if you ask their peers is really remarkable in such a short period of time.
All right, so Sri, they're good at raising money. How do they make money?
The model is simple: scoop up assets, and they've done well on that front. They have about 15 billion in assets. Find mid-sized companies, find companies that used to get their loans from banks, but banks have deserted that space. But there are still many companies that need to thrive and grow. So that's where these direct lenders like Owl Rock come in and offer their loans. They then get a steady stream of interest from that. Most of that goes to investors, but they get to pocket the management fee and the performance fee, and it's a fairly steady cash gusher, and that's why you have someone like Dyal willing to buy a 20% stake by pumping in $500 million into this company.
So it's mostly a fee-driven model, correct?
By and large, I mean, that's the part that's predictable. There's the management fee, it's sort of 2 and 20. They have done the good, smart thing of going with the idea of hook 'em for free, offer a lot of concessions to begin with, and after a while, the management fee and the performance fee start kicking in.